Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, yes, the battle between the Pixel 6 Pro and the Galaxy S21 Ultra. This video is in 4K at 60 frames per second. And I'm just walking around. Y'all let me know how that sound. How is the audio? Because I'm going to switch it back and forth. Look at the grass. Which one does a better job overall with the colors? That's what, we do these comparisons for. Shout out to the tree bark. Little focus in there. Actually looks pretty good too. Slow pan. You gotta do the slow pan of the Texas sky. Now, it is hot outside, so I will let y'all know if any phones have any type of overheating issues. But so far, so good. I'm gonna come back with 4K at 30, so that way y'all can see how does that look and everything. But until then, peace. Okay, everyone, so this is 4K at 30 frames per second on both phones. Yes, I'm enjoying the Pixel 6 Pro the last couple of days, or about the week I've been having it. But we know the S21 Ultra is a beast of our own. So at 4K at 30, I do have access to all the lenses. So here's the wide angle on both phones. Back to the regular one. 3x zoom, 2x zoom. Then I have 4x, 10x on the Galaxy. I'm gonna go back to 3. At 3 and 4, they're both pretty stable. Let's go back. But how is the stabilization on both phones? How does that sound? How's the audio? Look at the grass. Again, yeah, you can see baby girl over there. Y'all want to zoom back in on her. Bam. But I'm going to come back with 1080p at 60 so we can test out the cameras on that one too. I love doing these camera comparisons. Let's pick a winner. But until then, peace. All right, everyone. So this is 1080p at 60 frames per second on each phone. Slow pan of the Texas sky. Let's go walk around. Look at the colors. Which one does a better job? Which one would you use on your everyday use? I'm lucky enough to have both phones. So, yeah, actually great. Wide angle on both of them. I know Mr. Android Stud loves his wide angle. I can go 4x zoom, 3x zoom. They actually both look pretty good. I'm gonna go back out. Look at the rocks too. Overall, again, which one has the better mics? Which one has the better stabilization? These phones are becoming so close when you compare cameras. It's ridiculous though. Gotta remember though, the Ultra was $1,200. My Pixel 6 Pro is what, $899? The base model. So yeah, which one has the better cameras though? The mics, y'all let me know. I'm gonna come back with 1080p at 30. Until then, peace. Okay, everyone, so this is 1080p at 30 frames on both phones. Again, what y'all thought about the previous video? What y'all think about this one? Look at the colors. They actually both look really good though. I'm gonna walk around again, but I love doing these camera comparisons because we can pick a winner. You can pick your favorite. The cameras are subjective though. I mean, as far as if you like saturation, if you don't. The Pixel, what I'm noticing in the last other comparisons I did, they have a more natural look. The Galaxies will always saturate stuff. Samsung will do that. But if you're looking for more real life colors, I think the Pixel does a better job. But sometimes people don't like that. They like more saturation, deeper colors. But y'all let me know. Pick a winner. I don't think you can go wrong with either phone though, to be honest. Just depending on what you like. I mean, if you're a Samsung fanboy, then pick the Ultra. If you don't care about Samsung and you want something a little bit different, Pixel it's proven that it can hang with the big boys. especially with the camera software and the camera hardware they have now. So I'm gonna come back with some photos and some front facing video. Until then, peace.
Sonic.
Okay everyone, so this is the front facing camera on both phones. Yes, it's in 4K at 30, just because the Pixel 6 Pro does not do 4K at 60. So there, the S21 has a better front facing camera, I guess then. But what y'all thought about the photos, what y'all think about the video and the mics? Let's pick a winner. But again, I don't think you can go wrong with both phones because they actually look really good right now. Yeah, that sun is bright too, by the way. But I'm gonna come back with nighttime video and also some photos too. But I just want to test out the front cameras now. Look, everything looks really good, but stay tuned for the nighttime video and photos. Until then, peace. Okay everyone, so this is the Pixel 6 Pro and the S21 Ultra at nighttime. This video is in 4K at 60. Just walking around my big lots. Again, what y'all thought about the 4K at 30 and 60 during the day? Also, what do y'all think about the photos and the audio? Let's get a discussion going. I don't know, people do like nighttime videos and photos for whatever reason. I never really shoot at nighttime except for when I'm doing these videos. I don't know, I think it's kind of weird. But people do always ask about, oh, what's some low light situations? And so here you go. And like normal, look, I'm just holding the phone, walking around. But which one does a better job at nighttime? Y'all let me know in the comments. Let's get a discussion going. I'm gonna come back with some photos and also the front facing video. Until then, peace. Okay, everyone, so this is 4K at 30 on the front-facing cameras. What y'all think about it? Again, how do I look? How do I sound? Look at the 300 in the background. Which one does a better job with the lights? I don't know. Do y'all shoot video at nighttime? I was mentioning this in the rear video. Do y'all actually shoot in low light situations or not the best light? Y'all let me know. What y'all thought about this whole video? Let's pick a winner, because in my channel or on my channel, we do have winners and losers. So y'all pick a winner. Which one did a better job during the daytime, during nighttime? Which one has the better mics? Y'all let me know. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on both of these phones. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Force Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out. Later.